Hey guys, Rodney Walker here of Grant Center USA, and I'm excited to let you know that we've got some really cool things happening. We've got an online grant writing class that's coming up on April the 5th and the 6th. It is going to be a great class that you definitely want to make sure that you're a part of. You can come over and read a little bit more about what we're going to be doing and get the full description here. And let me show you another place that you can actually go to check out and learn a little bit more information about it. Here's a full description right here for you, but I'm going to point you over to our grantwritingclasses.org where you can go and reserve your spot. Here's some of the things that you're going to be learning at this training. I'm going to be sharing with you the best ways to approach funders for grant money. I'm going to also be sharing with you the 3 pillars for writing successful grant proposals and 5 proven strategies for finding funders that will give to your cause. I'm going to help you to get the mindset of the people that are giving out the money, and that's going to be a major shift for you in being able to write effective proposals. Also, I'm going to be sharing with you those 10 essential do's and don'ts in grant writing that you must know to be effective, plus other things like 3 skillful ways to help make your proposal stand out from the rest. Now, I'm telling you this because a lot of people that are doing grant writing haven't even been trained before. And so I'm going to share with you some insider secrets from professionals, what the pros do to get from the back of the line to the front of the line. I'm also going to be sharing with you some information like how to secure government grants and foundation grants, as well as how to critique your own proposals. Now, this is huge because a lot of people are just sending their proposals in without scoring and critiquing it. We have a system that we've created that helps you to do it. The same system that I use when somebody's asking me to review a proposal that I would charge them anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 just to review. You're going to get that same system so that you can use that same tool. Plus, discover what funders are really looking for in your proposals and how to give it to them. I'm going to be sharing with you so much in this training. We've gotten so many people that have gotten some amazing results. And if you want to see some results like these, actually hear from some of the people, let me share with you what you can do. You can simply go over to, let me go back to Grant Center USA. I'll show you. Grant Center USA, come to some of our happy clients and just go and look and see for yourself some of the numerous people that we've been able to help to secure lots of money by learning our system and putting into practice some of the things that we've done. Now, you can come and you can hear for yourself by simply clicking on some of these videos, and you'll be able to hear what people are saying, the results they are getting, the real life results that we're helping them to achieve by helping them to do a better job of grant writing. Now, you may be a skeptic. You may be right now, I don't believe any of this stuff. How can you help people get money? I'm going to let you hear this one video, and then afterwards, I'm going to share a little bit more information about what you can do right now to turn your grant game around.
I'm Edward Maya with Far Reaching Ministries. We serve in about 10 different countries, especially in areas that have been hard hit by civil war. In the grant writing conference, when I originally was going to get involved in it, I was very skeptical, but I'm glad I've gone through the 2-day workshop as well as the 3-day hands-on and seminar that we just went through. Rodney, who did the training, is excellent. He helps you take all the knowledge that you have in your head and literally put it out in paper so that you're ready to go out and present your projects in the best possible light. So I'd highly recommend it, especially for those people who are as skeptical about this as I was. It is a phenomenal class.
My friend, you can be a skeptic. That's okay. I have no problem. But come over, see real results, hear what grant professionals that have been doing this for a while, see and hear what they are saying and how this can help you. I'm going to bring every bit of energy and passion to the table to help you turn your grant game around so you can get funded. And that's what this training is all about. But you can come, see the real results for yourself, see how we're helping people to get and improve and bring in monies to their agency. Now, let me go and show you one more thing that's going to be crucial for you to know. 2 things. One, if you want to see the agenda, what we're going to be talking about, how we're going to be talking about it, simply come over to grantwritingclasses.org. Remember, I showed you that just a second ago. If you go over to grantwritingclasses.org, it's going to bring you over to this page right here. Simply come and click the class agenda, and it's going to show you exactly what we're going to be covering on those 2 days. And you may need some help justifying this to your employers. Simply come over and click our sample letter of justification. This is going to help you. I've already written a letter for you, my friend. Simply take this letter, and you'll take this letter and give it to those, your superiors, and let them know, hey, we need to go to this training, and here's why. And I believe I can help write a grant once I've gone through this training. And you can print out this agenda and hand it to them as well. Now, there's some other things like the 25 things you should be learning whenever you go to any grant writing training, but you can come and read that on your own. And again, we've helped so many people to raise so much money using our strategies. Come hear for yourself what they are saying about the training. You can come and click this and it'll tell you what they're saying. Here, let me just click another one so you can just hear what they're saying about the training right now.
This was my first time attending the Grant Central USA training, and I loved it. I am the Director of Development at the National Museum, and I've been to many grant trainings and opportunities like that, but nothing has ever made me walk away from it feeling prepared, and the grant writing process feels a lot less intimidating. Rodney made the class really fun, and everyone was engaged, and I feel like everyone was more prepared now to take back to their own organizations what we learned, more so than any class I've ever been in.
My friend, we're going to help you to get some real results. You can come over, see what we've done. We're not rookies at this. We've been doing this for a long time, helping people to get real results. And these real results have resulted in tangible, concrete dollars. Some have received funding in as little as 3 months. Yes, and you can come and you can hear them. If I click this one right here, you can hear the story behind the scenes of what people are saying. And I never forget, this young lady here came to one of the trainings and she turned it into thousands of dollars for her organizations, over $200,000 in the first 6 months. Okay, you can come in here for yourself. So what I'm saying is make the investment to your organization, come and learn, get the skill, get the knowledge. Now, one more training that I've got to tell you about, and that is our AI grant writing machine. Now, this training is a training now that's going to help you to produce award-winning grants in lightning speed. Yes, you know how lightning is. And lightning and thunder, okay? It's gonna help you to do it fast. So you want to come and check this out, read about this. Now, there's a way you can do grant writing. You can continue to do grant writing the way people used to do their farming back in the day with a single donkey, or you can come, my friend, and get 30, 60, 90 times the work done by using modern technology like the modern farmers do. You don't want to be that person with a single little donkey. I'm going to share with you. You can come over and read and learn all about what we're going to do. I don't have time to go through all of this, but just know I'm going to share with you how you can use AI technology these days to be able to write grant proposals quickly and save yourself lots of time and energy and money and effort. And I'm going to be sharing with you my 25 AI grant writing command cheat sheet that's going to help to be a major time saver. Now, think about this. If you're a grant professional right now and you're not using this technology, I've been using it for a few years now. I'm going to show you my strategies. And some people think that just using it the way they've been using it right now is the win all be all. Let me tell you now that that's not the case. I'm going to be sharing with you the secret, the number one secret that no one's talking about how you can use this AI technology. And this one right here alone is worth the price of admission. Now, think about this as a grant professional. Okay, I want you to think about it for a second. You're a grant professional, and you right now are writing grants. And if you are writing 15 grants in a year, let's just say, for example, you're writing these 15 grants. If I can come in and help you to save time and energy on those grants, let's say, for example, it's costing you on average. Let's say, for example, you're charging about $3,000 on average. Okay. Now, if I can come in and help to shave that time and cut that time in half for you, and you're only able to do half the amount of work that you normally would, my friend, you do the math. Do the math in your head, how much time we've saved and how much this training alone will be worth it to you. Now, I've got to go, but I want to encourage you, come over if you haven't already, register today, sign up for the training that's most appropriate for you. Remember, you can go over to the grant writing classes, sign up, get this information, get this insight, take the funding that you invest, take the investment that you put into this course and learn how to do grant writing the strategic way, and learn how to do grant writing right now in a way that's going to help you. If you haven't signed up for our free class, go check out our free class. It can help you. Trust me, it will help you to get some insight. And I look forward to seeing you real soon. Remember, be brave, be bold, be brilliant, and take charge. And I'll see you soon.